Well, hello, Pelican Heads. Hello, friends. And nope, today we're not doing a regular travel video. I'm taking a break of sorts, but we're gonna do something different. This is the last video of the year.
I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV, yeah.
Well, yeah, hard to believe another year has come to an end. 2024, it's gone. Think about it. We're gonna be a quarter into the 21st century. Who would have thought? Time just flies when you're having fun, and we're certainly having fun. I want to thank you for another year of great adventures, because if you weren't there watching, I wouldn't be here making these videos. We have that symbiotic relationship, and I want to thank each and every one of you for being there behind that lens, behind, in your cases, behind your screen, whatever screen you use. And I want to share with you a video we did a couple of weeks ago, the great South Florida Meetup, and it was truly great. We had over 50 people. We had so many great stories. So great to see some of you once again. So great to meet many of you for the first time. And of course, I want to thank our friend Alex Cruz for providing some of the footage, and mainly for organizing the whole thing. He's great at doing that, and I'm not. So thank you, Alex. And of course, I want to thank Jim in DC, his YouTube channel, Great Places Seen. By the way, Alex Cruz is Culture Lifestyle Travel, Mr. CLT on the chat. And Jim is Great Places Seen, GPS. And for both of you guys for providing the video, the footage, for this meetup, because in these meetups I'm generally just sharing time with you guys. That's what we do it for, so I can give each and every one of you as much time as possible. Sometimes it is impossible to give everybody enough time, but I really appreciate having you all as part of our lives here. On behalf of Ili and I, thank you. And now without further preamble, some video of that South Florida meetup. And stay tuned till the end, because we're gonna discuss some of the 2025 plans, if we will.
I came down to crash a meetup. It's Traveling Robert, everyone.
Oh my God, Jim, you made it.
I made it.
Yeah.
Well, if you could fly across country impromptu, at least I could do is come down to Florida,
Right?
And Mr. CLT is in the house.
How you doing, guys? Yeah, Mr. CLT, and we're here. We're gonna have a good time. We're having some IPAs, of course.
Cheers.
It's gonna be fun, man.
These are special IPAs.
Yeah, thank you for coming. Yeah, special IPAs.
Yes.
Did you see the sign?
Yes.
They made a special IPA for us. The Pelican Head.
And it's good.
Yeah, it is. Well, anyway, we're gonna have a good time, and I was nervous that nobody was gonna show up, but it's not Cuban time. That's not sure. It's not Cuban time. Everybody's here early. Everybody's here early. Yeah, it's incredible.
Well, it's a great day to have a meetup. Great day to be in South Florida.
I was nervous because it hasn't rained here for like 2 months, and this morning it was raining. I'm like, watch, it's gonna rain on our parade.
It's holding up for us. But look, we're in a great place here.
Yeah, this brewery is nice.
Nice breeze coming through. It's
Well, I
not
did
hot
bring my
today.
umbrella.
Yeah. Ella, under my umbrella.
All right.
All right.
Great to be here. Thank you for having us.
Thank you for
Yeah. Well, Robert has collected a number of things through the years that he hasn't used, and so it makes for a very good giveaway, including, oh wow, electric bike. How about that? That's way cool. I don't think I could fit that in the overhead bin though.
Hey there. I'm glad that we were able to come. We're actually from Texas, and we were in Vero Beach. We're not supposed to be here until tomorrow, but we thought, you know what? Let's go and go to this place and drive over here so we can meet Robert, and I'm glad we did. I really did. So finally we're able to meet Robert in person and his beautiful wife, Ely.
Hey Robert, pleasure meeting you. Rich and Allie from Deerfield Beach. It's great to get together and have a couple beers and meet all your fans.
Yep. Thrilled to be here tonight.
Guys, I'm here with Robert at Lauderdale Ale. I love it, guys. I'm glad I got a chance to meet him in person. He is awesome. I love it. All right, guys, take it easy. Peace. Love you guys. See ya.
Thanks for hosting this.
Thank you for helping us on our start of our adventure. We followed a lot of your videos to know what to do. Cheers to you, my friend. Saludos.
This is Steve the Eyeglasses Guy, Robert. Keep on continue. I love you the stuff with Spain. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. You know, and this is nice weather down here today for me. It's 50 degrees up in Massachusetts tonight. Oh my God.
Robert, it's great to have another meetup. I think we should have an annual meetup in Florida every year.
I need more pelican heads.
Woo!
Robert, thanks for all the great videos. Really enjoy the original music. Makes it very, very unique. And look forward to your videos every Sunday.
Actually, I came here for another meetup like 5 years ago. I was meeting someone that I followed.
You first. Hey, Robert, thanks for hosting this. This is awesome. This is a great event. Thank you.
Hi, Robert. Nice to meet you after watching you all these years. Thank you for this event. Thank you.
Hey, Robert. It's Kevin and Becky from Tennessee. It was a pleasure to meet you. We're glad we finally got a chance to talk to you in person.
We love to watch all the videos and see all the traveling, and just we really enjoy all the content, and it was fun to come and meet him.
Okay, so, hey, Travis and Robert, this is a long time no see, but we thought we'd come have a beer for you, and I can't wait to see you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. Travis, have a good one and all the best, mate.
Seal. Dicor. Dicor is D-I-C-O-R. It's making me nervous. You know, like.
What's up, guys? Un saludito para Robert ahí.
Dale. Robert. Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Smile, you're on candid camera. It's Jim in DC.
Hey, how you doing?
Smile, how's the food?
Excellent.
Good. Say hi, guys. Say hi. I heard you guys came from Connecticut.
Tennessee.
Tennessee. Even better. What part of Tennessee? I love Tennessee. We just came back from it. Love it. We were over there, Graceland, doing the whole Christmas thing. It was great. Amazing. Thanks for coming. Which one are you going to win? What do you mean? Which one are you going to win? Which one do you want to win?
The 25.
The 25. That's a nice one. I know. Go big or go home.
Yeah, right?
Thanks for coming, guys.
No problem. No problem.
What's up, guys?
Pelican heads. I'm sorry, Jim. I think I'm pressing the trigger, but I don't really have to press the trigger. I see. Anyway, everybody, thank you so much for coming. This is so great to be able to put the face together with the name and meet all of you in person. Some of you for the second and third time. So thank you so much. 025 25 25 25 025. Going once, going twice, 0 to 5, 0 to 5, 5 to 5, no. An invention by our friend Eddie here. And for the 7-inch fire pit, Mr. CLT is still shuffling.
I want to shuffle, but I can't hear them.
Shuffle?
Should I shuffle as much as they applaud? If you want me to shuffle hard, I want to hear you guys clapping as hard.
Yeah, make noise, make some noise.
A little more. This is
Ryan Price.
right.
I'm ready, let's do it. Well, I cannot look at it, right? I have to do a blind test. And for the 7-inch slinky stove number 48. Slinky stove, collapsible smokeless fire pit is number 43. 43, 17-inch collapsible fire pit. Now for the 25-inch collapsible fire pit, I have it here. The winner is 11,011. Now last but not least,
Drum roll, please.
for I'm actually reading it twice. So it's a electric e-bike, ridden twice by me, Kitty Skinny. It's got 17 miles on it. And that's the grand prize. And it comes with the cargo kit as well. 034 34. There you go. Congratulations. And that's it. That was such a great meetup. It's always so great to spend time with you guys. Yeah, it's so many different people from different backgrounds, from different places. You know, Jim flew from Washington, D.C. Some people from Texas. People drove across the state of Florida from places like Sarasota to be there. So thank you all. And in 2025, what's in store? Well, tell you what, I kind of teased it, but there are very few things written in stone at this point. I know I want to go to the Tampa Harvest Show. I know I want to go to Quartzsite. I know I want to develop Pelicamp West in Golden Valley, Arizona. But besides that, I want to leave it to some suspense. I do want to go to do Route 66. I want to do the loneliest road. I want to do some international travel. We're kind of narrowing it down to Italy, but who knows. I want to do Baja California. Yeah, all those are not going to fit into 1 year. And I want to do the Great Lakes properly, not how I did it this year. If you have any suggestions, do comment below and let me know where would you like me to go in 2025 or beyond. Because, you know, I intend to be doing this
as long as I have my health and I'm able to do it. This is my passion in life, what I love to do, and it is my privilege to be able to share it with you. Until the next one, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the road.